Our biodiversity exploration began at 6 a.m. as we depart for Bukit Journey Arau Place by bus at UTM Arau.
She moves like a map with no border.
Upon arriving at the site, we started our journey by enjoying as much together with our friends, giving everyone the opportunity to relax and prepare for day's activity.
Book and a grin. She's chasing skies.
After breakfast, we attended an informative talk about fossil, where we learned about the formation, importance, and how they provide evidence of Earth's ancient history. Following the briefing, we explored several locations around Bukit Journey to observe various fossil formation firsthand. This experience allowed us to better understand the geological significance of the area.
Bukit Journey Perlis, which is known for its rich biodiversity, forest ecosystem, and freshwater environment. The area is surrounded by diverse vegetation and provides suitable habitat for many species of plant, insect, and birds. After that, our lecturer, which is Madam Khairunisa, introduced some of geologists or tour guide to explain the geologist features of Bukit Journey, which is a new knowledge for us. They explain the different type of rock and artifact found at the site, sharing information that many of us had never encountered before. Their explain help us appreciate how the Earth's history and why studying them is important. The knowledge we gain is highly valuable for the subject, which is BIO330, and the concept we learn in the class with real geology evidence observed in this field. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, including different species of plant, animal, fungi, and microorganisms, as well as the ecosystem they form. Can be classified into three main levels, which is genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Biodiversity is one of the most important components of healthy environment because it helps maintain ecological balance, support food change, regulate nutrient cycling, improve water and air quality, and increases ecosystem resilience against environmental change.
Our methodology, we carry out direct observation while exploring forests, trail in cave area. We did not use transit lines, so our observations were done freely based on the location we visited. We identified plants based on their physical characteristics such as leaf, shape, and structure. We mainly focus on plant diversity and geological features. Some animals such as fish, bats, insects, and other small microorganisms were observed, but they were only noted briefly and not studied in detail. We also examined the cave environment, focused on rock formation and moisture condition. The tool we used were smartphone to take photo and a notebook to record our findings. For the results, we recorded several plant species such as Langerstromia species, Cherculia cordata, Diospyros or persimmon species, Terminalia calamansanae, and Ficus benghalensis. This plant showed that Bukit Journey is a tropical limestone forest with a stable ecosystem. In terms of fauna, only general observations were made. We noticed the presence of fish near the water area, but inside the cave, insects and small organisms around the environment. However, no detailed identification was conducted. In terms of geology, Bukit Journey is formed from limestone of Chuping Formation, which is about 220 million years ago from the Triassic period. Marine fossils were also found, showing that this area was once a shallow tropical sea. The cave is formed through a karst process where limestone dissolved over millions of years. The cave environment is cooler, more humid, and has low light. Moss and small plants was found near the entrance, showing adaptation to these conditions. In conclusion, Bukit Journey has high biodiversity and important geological value. It also shows a strong relationship between geology, ecosystem, and conservation.
Moving on to the discussion section based on our observations during the field study. So, based on our observations, Bukit Journey provides a natural environment with high ecological value. Throughout the field trip, we observe a wide variety of plant species, a clean and clear stream, as well as the well-preserved natural surrounding. These observations suggest that the area is still in a relatively healthy condition and is stable to support various forms of life. One of the most noticeable features during our visit was the clear stream. Although we did not conduct water quality testing, the condition of the stream indicates that it is relatively well maintained and plays an important role in supporting the surrounding ecosystems. Freshwater habitats provide water for living organisms and contribute to the overall balance of the environment. In terms of biodiversity, we recorded many different plant species throughout the trail. Plants are essential components of an ecosystem because they act as a primary producers, supplying energy through photosynthesis. They also help maintain soil stability, reduce soil erosion, regulate the local climate, and provide a food and shelter for many organisms. Although only a few animals were observed during our visit, this does not necessarily indicate low biodiversity. Many wildlife species are naturally active during specific times of the day, such as early morning or at night, and some may avoid areas with human activity. Therefore, the limited animal sightings could have been influenced by the time of our visit and the presence of visitors. Besides the field observations, we also attended a briefing conducted by a representative from University Utara Malaysia. This session provided valuable knowledge about ecology and introduced us to different types of fossils. This helped us better understand how fossils provide evidence of Earth's history and demonstrate change in organisms and environments over millions of years. The briefing also strengthened the connection between the ecological concepts we learned in class and the real-world examples. Overall, our visit to Bukit Journey increased our appreciation of biodiversity and highlight the importance of conserving natural ecosystems. Continuous conservation efforts and responsible environmental practices are essential to ensure that places like Bukit Journey remain protected for future generations.